Hey, what's up guys? So the watch face that I'm reviewing today is called MD289 and this is from developer Matteo Dini, and it is also a very sleek watch face. It basically has digital time at the top here, and then below you get to see the heart rate. I'm not sure what this one is, but then down below you get to see the date and the day. You've got battery percentage here in steps at the top, and you can see the rolling seconds over here as well. So the overall look of this watch face is very sleek, and it has this dark elements that I really quite like. So this is the always on display version of this watch face, where it dims out but you still can see all the information. So in customization we have main, then we have battery option, hour, minutes, date, hands, color, and finally we get to change the complications as well. So let's go through them one by one. So in main you can actually change the accent colors down below here for the heart rate, and I think this one is for distance. So you get quite a few options, so I'll select this one. Then we have battery, so here the color for the battery. So we've got very neon style colors for the battery here. So I'll go with this orange. Then we have colors for hour, so we can change this. So it looks like we are going with the orange theme. Okay, this looks nice. And then we have date. So here you can see that right now it's in black. So if I scroll down it will turn white, but we'll keep it at black. Then we have hands. You can put hands on this watch face and turn it into analog as well. So that's another option you get with this watch face. Then we have color, and this changes the accent colors for the battery, for seconds, and for this complication right here. So in this way you can change colors for almost every element in this watch face and make it very colorful if you want to, but I don't want to do that. And then finally we have complications, so you can add complications here as well. So let's take a look at some of the options that we get for complications. So it's a standard set of complications where you can add shortcuts, apps, and a lot of fitness shortcuts as well as your complications on the watch face. So if we press OK, there we have it, our brand new, very colorful watch face. So I will put the link of this watch face in the description below in case you want to check it out. And that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.